Okay, so today we're going to give you not a tip, but a secret. The number one secret to TIG welding is focus. If you don't focus on what you're welding and each puddle that you make, you're gonna make mistakes. It's either gonna be too thin, too thick, not wide enough. It's just not gonna be a perfected weld. So everything that you do, you have to focus on what you're doing. Again, I can't stress it enough in what we do, the TIG welding that we do, the race cars that we build, lives are at stake. And if you have a proper weld that's been focused, focus on my pulse, focus on my, putting the rod in the puddle and bringing it back and bringing your hand back to the next one and then your foot down. It's all a sequence and it's all a process, and the key to it is to focus. If you're thinking of something else, what you're gonna do or what you're gonna have for dinner or whatever, you're not focused on what you should be doing as far as getting a good, strong, good weld, then you're not gonna have a very good end result. But if you think about, man, that puddle was perfect, that puddle was perfect, and when you're done, it's got a stack of dimes, it's nice and wide, there's no real wide heat range in it, and it's perfect, and you know it's good. So the tip of the day, or the secret of the day, is focus.